Hello, we're here at the records management booth. We're talking about our law enforcement records management, WebRMS. The nice thing about WebRMS is it's a completely browser-based records management system. You can use this on any modern device. The main idea is you can get to your data anytime, anywhere. So I'm just going to touch on a few of the features of WebRMS. One thing that's really nice about it is how easy it is to navigate and use the system. It really requires very little training. Everybody these days uses the web. We'll start off by looking up some basic information. So I'm going to go in and look up a name like most of our officers would do when they're using the system. So I can very quickly go in and search for a person, and I'm going to get the data back very quickly. I have the ability to export data out of the system into various formats if I want, Excel, PDF, Word documents. I also can use a lot of the standard kind of web technology features that people are used to. I can hover over names, for example, and get a quick look at the data inside these records without having to constantly open and click on documents. So I can easily find information in the system. This is version 3.7 of this application. It's been out for a few years now, so we've been doing some major enhancements based upon customer feedback. One of the things that we've added recently is the ability to quickly get data out of the system. A lot of times if you go to an agency and the prosecutor needs to have all of the data related to an investigation. Now you can use our new attachment management feature. You can come into attachment management and it will literally show you all of the information that is in this case. And this particular one has a lot in it. So I've got narratives, I've got different documents, attachments, here's some pictures and so forth, and it's all in there. In the past you would have to print out each one of these one at a time, and it becomes a very cumbersome process. Now you can run this, you can turn features off that you don't want, but once you decide what you do want, you can hit the button and out comes the final output. And this is one giant PDF that you can zip up, send to your prosecutor or use for any other purpose that you might need. So you'll have all your documents, all of your attachments are all right here, at one easy to use document. The next thing that we've done is add the ability to do crime scene lookups and data entry. Quite often we find that if you have a large investigation, you'll have many officers working the same case. With this particular module, you can now have multiple officers gathering evidence, gathering information, and you can collect this right in this crime scene module, and all of that data is then usable inside the investigation and inside the incident report itself. So it's a really great way to gather data quickly and easily into the system.